in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if the game bar is not working properly or responding on your Toshiba desktop, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the left panel, select System. And on the right side, you want to go down and select where it says System Components. And then either search the System Components field to the top or just manually scroll through here until you find the game bar. And select the three-dotted icon next to it that says More Options. And then select Advanced Options. And then scrolling down again underneath Reset. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Select Repair. And then hopefully once you have a check mark and you relaunch your game, you should be good to go. If not, you can come back in here and select the option immediately below it here that reads that if the system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system component's data will be deleted. You can select Reset. This will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. Give that a moment. And then I would suggest closing out of all of this and restarting your computer, and then hopefully your issues should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.